I'm going to be looking at a wireless motion welcome doorbell. Keep watching the video, I'll show you how it is. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do do-it-yourself videos, vacation videos, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I'm ready to open up the Smart Welcome Sensor by Kerui. So I'm just going to put it down and let's see what we got inside. It's a very small box, so of course it's the installation and setup is going to be really easy. So there's the unit, and inside we have the installation. So it looks like we've got 2 screws, we've got anchors, and we have some double-sided stick tape for an easy installation. So this product is quite simple. You can use it in many different places. You can use it outside the front door, a back door, inside or outside of your home, and the functions on it are quite simple. It takes 3 AAA batteries, or if you have a 9 to 15 volt transformer, you can plug that in for constant power and you don't have to worry about doing any battery changes. And then also on the setup here, you have an on and off switch. You have a volume button, which allows you to choose between 4 different volume levels. You have your music button, and that will select between 32 different settings or songs. And you have 3 settings here, which is voice, alarm, and music. So the voice, you'll hear the you'll see the voice say welcome, or different languages you can select. The alarm is an alarm if you just want the alarm to sound when it detects motion. And the music will obviously play the music. So that's that, and now I'm just going to install the batteries and we can check out the sounds and how it works. I've got some new batteries here I'm just going to install. Okay, it's quite simple. So we're just going to put the backing cover on. Okay, and we're ready to begin. All we got to do now is just turn it on.
Hello, welcome.
Okay, and that's the setting it's on now. It's on voice. Anytime there's motion.
Hello, welcome.
Okay, so we can choose between different musics. And of course, I'm not going to go through all 32 of them. There's a lot of them. And on the box here, you can see the function. It works between 2 to 6 meters, and it says 32 different songs. And yeah, so that's quite simple. The next thing you can do is just put the double-sided tape on and install it. Now, if this is something you want, I'm going to leave a link below so that you can check out that on Amazon and maybe purchase one of these. They're great. It's literally the size of my hand, easy installation. You can either use the double-sided tape or you can use the screws for a more secure mounting installation. So I'm gonna turn it on one more time and just show you the different settings of that. So here's the alarm. So now if there's motion detected, now you can hear the alarm. You can also choose just music if you don't want any of the voices. And then it'll play some different music. And you can toggle between different settings. There we go. That's simple. So now let's go and install this and actually see how it works when it's installed. So we're just outside the front door, and of course it's snowing right now, but that's okay. It's going to put this through a good test. I'm going to take the double-sided tape, and I'm just going to stick the one side on the unit, like so. And then I'm going to peel off the tape there. Okay, and that's ready for install. I'm just going to put that right on the roof there. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on the top of this frame here. And I'm going to press down, and I'm going to turn the unit on. Now I'm going to test it out.
Hello, welcome.
There you go.
Welcome.
Let's try a different setting now. So that's it. It's working great. You can install this anywhere, and just as you heard the alarm, you can put that in a location where if you want to be notified, you don't want anybody to go into that zone, you're going to hear the alarm. So I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos, share the video, like a video, and leave a comment down below. And if you want one of these things, I'll leave a link down below for you as well. Take care, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.